morning, everyone.
Is that you?
Oh.
No money for that.
Don't know how many times. I went for a wee loads of times last night. Was that milkshake?
I did tell you.
I got a Lamborghini.
Is that all you can say first thing in the morning?
Hi, everybody. Hiya.
Hello.
Sun's out at the minute, but it's meant to be on and off showers through the day and then clear up later, so just have to wait and see. Got a cup of tea on the go. What time are we on now anyway? We are on 9:45. So it'd be cowboy time at 10 to 10. As our Stephen says, kettle's on mother.
Yeah, I'm having a few teas today. We've only been having one of them.
Yeah, I know. Been rushing round though, haven't we? I hope you enjoyed that video from yesterday, that little at that little farm. Well, it wasn't really little, it was quite big, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was nice.
But no.
I had my coffee cake and it's really nice.
Hang on, I ain't got my tripod. There we go. It's a bit cloudy at the minute. It's meant to be on and off rain today.
I said I had my coffee cake. My dad and myself used to go to Brampton Garden Centre and have one of them on a wooden stall, like a tree stump.
You finished?
I enjoyed it. It was very nice. Cheers.
Got she jabbers on, didn't she? She's like me. That's where I get it from. People always wonder, oh, you never stop talking. Blame me mother. That's where I get it from.
Right, little old ladies. You want to hear my cousin Sonia then? She's worse than me.
So yeah, I don't know what the plans are in for today. I think we're just pretty much chilling, or I don't know. It's one of them we're not sure day today.
Go to bed.
Go bed. So anyway, well, instead of me jabbering, we'll catch you all in a bit. Love you all. Here we go. We're cooking. Haven't done this for a bit, have we? Bacon's in. Oh, we're steamed up.
Oh dear.
Bacon's in, look. Bacon and egg. Morning and breakfast and lunch. Mum's only having eggs, so for some reason, because she's going off bacon. You looking fine? You hungry? You hungry? And I'm hungry. So yes. Num num num. Yeah, they're already scuffing the faces. So we'll catch you in a bit.
Don't know.
Is that nice?
Yeah.
Mum says it's too hot. Well, it's just come out of the ridge monkey.
Yummy.
And mine's an see, I always have to be last, don't I?
Well, you're the cook.
Ridge monkey chef, as our friends Chris and Sam say. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it runny? Is it going to pop?
You brought this one, didn't you?
Well, I didn't break it. I just cracked the egg. They're big eggs as well, look.
You're supposed to be going with Chris and Sam, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm meant to be going camping with them at some point. I have to sort that out, won't we? But that nice though. That's what you get. Is that nice? Yours popped. I hope they should. Oh, was it? Oh. Anyway, catch you in a bit when I dish mine out. Here we go. All done, look. Look at that. Let's see how nice it is. Oh, that was lovely. That was that breakfast and lunch. Got a cup of tea now. Look, Mum's got a coffee. Just cooking on basically one of these stoves. You might be able to see me in the reflection. Hello. Kids are just playing in here. We're just having a chill out really now. Last couple of days, as you can hear. You alright down there? Yeah. So yeah. Just saying, you got horses over there in the field, over in the distance. Not sure if you can see them from here. I can't even see.
All tablets and that are on charge.
So, are they? Everything's charging. I'll have to do you an update on that, wouldn't I? Of the power station.
It's done well though.
It has, isn't it? I'll show you it while it's on charge. Hang on, let me get up. Oh, there we go. Oh,
right, handbag. It's over near you.
Oh.
I can't reach.
because it's already been charged. It's been on literally non-stop today. It's still there, look. Oh, having some of this tonight. Yeah. Red Stag Black Cherry Whiskey. Have some of that tonight, I think, because I've been drinking me bad. So I've got Mum's little speaker with us instead of me Marley. There, a little Sony one. I need to get another little one, really. I gave one away to Mel. Yeah, I gave me the other one. I wish I kept it now, but oh well. I don't really want one that big neither. I just want one like the size of my mum's. Chris has got one called an Ankler or something. Oh, so when I got my van and that, instead of taking, well, if I could, just still take the big one then, can't I, with the van? So, yeah, sun's gone in. It's not been out for a bit now. It's all a bit cloudy, a bit windy. You could probably hear it.
That's on the video.
You can see the trees moving there, look. So yeah, not doing a lot at the minute. So yeah, I may as well catch you all in a bit. So ta-ra for now, everyone. Love you all. Hello, everyone. Oh, we're not cooking again. Do you want to know why? We've been very naughty, haven't we?
Yeah.
Is that nice?
Yeah.
Look. And there's mine. There's Mum's over there, look. Great big chicken. Oh, I missed that. Tried it in a picture. And kids are all eating theirs in there. But yeah, been a bit naughty again. Whoopsie. Hello everyone. We're back. We've got Teen, look. Wherever she is. Somewhere there. The mother's sitting over there.
Hello.
Oh, that dinner was nice. Couldn't finish it all though. Far too much, wasn't there? But it was nice. Chippy's not far away neither. It's literally not the next village after that it's on. But no rain since neither. Look. Dry, if you can see outside. No rain.
Very windy.
Yeah, just got a load of wind. Loads of flies as well decided to come in.
They'll be sacked.
So I've got my zapper on up there, which you can see, which is also I can't get the gist of where my finger points. There. That's also a light as well, battery powered. Tell you, it does the job. But yes, it's just been chilling, haven't we, really?
Yeah.
Not done much today, just chilled. Quickly nipped out down to get the takeaway, didn't we? That was about it.
Done some washing.
Yeah, done some washing as well. How many loads is that for? 4 this week, but then again, we only took enough for like 3 days worth anyway, so we've been here since Friday last week. Well, not at this site, went to Withensea first. But no, so just chilling now. Night's drawing in, almost 10 o'clock. So, but tomorrow might just take kids to the park, so I'll get that on, being that's last day tomorrow. Obviously, we've paid for an extra night, so we're going Saturday. But the horrible thing is, I've checked the weather. The weather's now going to be sunny, like 18 to 20 degree, up until Tuesday, and then it's raining again for a couple of days, and then sunny. So next week's meant to be okay, and then we've come. It's been rubbish weather. Oh well, that's Britain for you. Anyone coming to Britain, make sure you bring an umbrella with you. But anyway, there's no point talking anymore, just see how you all doing and that, and what we've been up to. But ain't done much apart from better washing and that. I thought there's no point showing you all that. So, yeah, so may as well catch you later when we say goodnight, and then see what tomorrow brings. So anyway, love you all to bits. See you later. Right, everybody's going to bed. Say night. So, yeah. So I may as well say goodnight to you all now. So don't forget, I know I say it every video, give us a subscribe, give us a comment, give us a like, give us a share. It means the world to us. And it's all completely free. So anyway, everyone, good night, and we'll see you in the morning. Take care. Love you all. Ta-da. Morning, everyone. How you all doing? Not sure if this is going to be a new part of a video. I don't know. But just had a couple of cups of tea. I'll be pulling faces. The reason I haven't done no video in this morning is because my phone was on charge because my phone died. So, yeah, it's... What time is it now? Tina's just having a look.
Nearly 10:15.
Nearly 10:15, but like I said, phone's been on charge this morning, so I haven't been able to do any recording.
Underneath the table where Harvey
But
is.
we've got Tina there.
Morning.
My mum was there. But she's gone in there now.
What? Hi, good morning everyone.
Andrew's there, chilling for now. We're going out soon. I found somewhere to go. Only because, yeah, I was not happy this morning. I got a rant incoming, so watch yourself. Look at the weather. Not sure what you're going to see through the window.
Are we having throwaway plates? Yeah.
But there's no rain. But it's windy. Very windy.
I'll sit in your chair.
You can hear it coming through the trees behind us. So if you think we've had nothing but rain since we started camping. Rain, 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 rain. The odd sunny bits, then rain, sunny rain. And the only day that it's not meant to be raining, we now got wind. I can't believe it. Literally,
Jamie, you got a sponge?
I was literally down in the dumps. Proper down in the dumps, weren't I, this morning?
Yeah.
I was ranting, raving. Oh, I can't deal with it. You know, people mention about global warming and all this and that. We're nearly in summer and it's still cold. Horrible weather. I mean, people will turn around and probably say, well, the reason it's horrible is because of global warming, but I thought global warming was about the planet and everything heating up. Well, it isn't here. Other places in the world are like 40, 50 odd degrees. Here, we're barely touching 15 today. That's it. It's horrible. It's that wind. It's like winter all over again. But the worst part about it, Tina checked the weather, all next week from tomorrow is sunny spells, no rain, and it's warm. So, all the holiday, we've had rubbish weather. And then, as soon as we go home, which will be tomorrow, it's beautiful weather. I cannot believe it. You can't make it up, can you? Absolutely typical. I says to Tina, I was writing, I says, if I had my own motorhome van or whatever like that, I said, I'd go to a different part of the country where it's nicer. Because there is parts, like down where my mum goes, down Cambridgeshire way, down there. They've got lovely weather down there. You know, sun's out, it's warm, even had the washing and that out here. Oh, it's awful. And if you think as well, when we went to Southerness in the last videos, back in February, literally, we were there for 3 nights, obviously 4 days. We didn't have an ounce of rain, and the sun was out, and it was warm. And that's Scotland. What's going on with the world? Terrible. But anyway, I'm going to try and cheer myself up now I've found somewhere to go. I mean, yes, I wanted to try and find somewhere where, like, a little walk or something, but it's like, I wanted to take the kids to a park today. But with this weather, I mean, it's not going to rain. I mean, it might calm down later on, but no, like that'd be like 9, 10 o'clock tonight before things calm down. Typical British weather. So I thought, well, I'm not going out in this weather when it's windy like this, cold. Kids will catch a death of cold. Then I was thinking, because Mum wanted to nip to Asda, so I thought, well, there's a lakeside down, literally just down the road from it, but that means it's the same problem. You're walking around a lake. And it's this weather, it's windy, you know, it's horrible. So I have found another place, because I wanted to do something that wasn't going to cost basically any more money. But I found another place which is actually cheaper, so, which isn't too bad on price, which I'll go into when we get there. Show you the prices and that and what it was. But yeah, absolutely horrid day today. Wind, wind and wind. And tomorrow, when we go home, it's nice weather. But luckily enough, Gabby, I think her husband's Johnny, did she say?
Yeah.
Or John for short, I don't know. Said that there's no rush because she hasn't got no one booked on for this pitch. So don't have to rush about too much tomorrow, which is a good thing. So thank you, Gabby, if you're watching this back. We'll definitely be back here to Willow Fields. What?
Water.
The water. 1 minute, Tina wants a drink. Well, I got a headache. Oh, I've gave Tina a headache now.
Well, I got all morning.
No, going to do some breakfast and lunch to us, because we only have about 2 meals a day, don't we?
Yeah.
If that at home, we barely have that. we only have bacon and egg when we're camping. We don't.
Back on the diet when we get home.
Yeah, back on the diet when we go. We haven't done too bad.
No, we've had cheeky chippies.
Yeah, who doesn't though when you're on holiday?
Routine goes out the window
Yep.
when you're on holiday.
But they've got tractors. I think they're doing some work here at Willow Fields at the minute, so I don't want to be listening to tractors all day neither. But get the kids out. Get kids out, burn some energy off, and see what this other place has got to offer as well. It's a little bit similar to the last video we've done with the animals and all that. It's a little bit similar.
What's around area though, isn't it?
Yeah, I wish I found it sooner, to be honest, because that one we went to is, how long did it take? 45 minutes, was it?
Yeah.
45 minutes to get to that Hall Farm Park. And I've just found another one, literally just down the road. Typical, and it's cheaper. I'm not sure what's going to be there, but what?
Me flipping bobble snapped on me last night.
Oh yeah, Tina's bobble was Welsh because she never has her hair down. I don't know why, she's got lovely hair. Stand up and show them.
Oh, I've had it cut.
Yeah, I don't even know if they've seen it since.
No, I had it cut, didn't I, from my
Yeah,
birthday?
she's had it cut. I mean, it was down, her hair was down to her bum.
Well, past me bum.
Yeah, just past it, weren't it?
Don't mind the mess of it, I need to brush.
Yeah, I need to brush it and that, but should have her hair down, shouldn't she? What do you all think? Let's get your opinions on it. We got to turn round, hang on. Look, can you see? I'm not sure what they can see. Let's turn round. Can they see alright?
Yeah.
You see, don't she look lovely with her hair down? She should.
Brush.
Yeah. Should have her hair down more, shouldn't she? Tell her. Go on, put in the comments. Keep your hair down, Tina. Instead of putting in the bobble all the time. No,
Well,
so we've got
with it being windy today.
Yeah, true. With it windy, it'll end up all in her face. She'll look like a no. Who is it?
Look like I've been electrocuted or something.
Yeah. So now I've got to run to a shop, get some bubbles. There's a co-op down the road. Andrew, turn that off, please.
I had about that much cut off, didn't I?
Yeah. So yeah, she's lost basically half her hair from what she had. All dead ends that needed doing.
I hadn't had it done for 5 years.
No, I know. You can probably hear the tractor in the background. And the wind, can you hear that? Pull a face. Pull a face like that and then go. Right, so anyway, yep. I might as well catch you in a bit. When we know what we're doing, so you can hear the wind literally blowing through the trees. Right, anyway. Right, I'll love and leave you all, and we'll catch you in a bit. Ta-ra, everyone.